What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, guys. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna go over Tuesday's game plan. I hope you enjoyed the weekend. I hope you enjoyed this extra day off in the market, but you already know what time it is. It's time for us to get after it. I hope you was studying, doing everything you needed to do to be ready and set to go for tomorrow. So I'm here. I got you. We ready to knock it out of the ballpark. We're gonna have another amazing week. Let's get it. So, guys, I got up the earnings for this week. We got a couple things that we follow may have some potential for us to play and make some money. You know, last week we had an amazing week with some of the earnings plays. The week before killed it that week too. So this one don't seem to be that great. However, it is a few on here. If you look at Thursday before opening, we got Baba, we got Walmart. Those two plays that we follow. We're going to follow ticker symbol RIVN. I think these are some plays that can give us some good moves and we can be able to follow to make some money for the pre-market play. So let's go ahead and jump right into the markets. But before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get that notification. Let's get it. First ticker up, we're going to go ahead and do it with Walmart. Guys, we had this play out a couple weeks ago. We said that this one would break through 100 back when it was sitting in the 80s. And you see, we're sitting at 104 right now. So if you are a bull in this and you thinking about playing the pre-earnings pump or dump, I'm going to give you a couple areas to pay attention to. With this one right here, you want to see them open higher than that 104.22 mark. They do that, you're going to start seeing a push up to 104.50. You need to see them hold above that. They start closing above that, you got this stuff in here, 104.80, and then boom, they're going to shoot their shot to 105.25 before they start trying to boom this thing to 106 and higher. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas and start giving some fresh levels. To the downside, you want to see them take out this stuff right in here, that 103.90. You want to see them open lower than that. If they can do that, you got this bottom at 103.60, but this is the area right here, 103.10. They start breaking that, they're going to give you a pullback before earnings call. So there's a couple areas of interest to pay attention to. Again, we'll update it in real time once they start taking out those areas. Next ticker up is going to be Bye-Bye and Newbies Beginners. These are three good plays that you can follow and make money. None of these is going to kill the account, kill the bank. I mean, it'll kill your account if you don't have a stop loss or proper risk management, but we already know that. We ahead of that. We know we setting that stuff before we even finalize the play. That is part of our game plan. So next ticker up, let's go ahead and get to it. Bye-Bye, ticker symbol BABA. With them, what you want to see, they're sitting at 124.75. With them, you want to see them open higher than this stuff right here, 125.40. If they do that, they ready to shoot their shot. Boom, you got 126.80 before they start setting their sights on 127, 128, and ultimately trying to get to that 130 mark. On the downside, you want to see them open lower than these bottoms right here at 124. If they open under 124, they're going to start trying to pull this thing down. You got this level at 123.05. Next level down is this middle in here, 122.30, and then boom, they're going to shoot it down to 121.20. This is the area that if you plan the downside, I'd be cautious right here at 120.50 because bulls can come in and pop that thing right back up. If not, boom, you coming down to 119.25. So there you go in that play right there. Next ticker up is going to be RIVN. And this ticker, they report Thursday at closing. Walmart report Thursday before the market opens. Bye-bye, Thursday before the market opens. So we got a couple days to play with this one right here. So again, see profits, take profits, have a plan to where you want to get in at once you see these levels being taken out, but also have a plan to not be greedy. Take the small wins. Take the small wins unless you buying some time on your contract and it can withstand withstand some of the ups and the downs that they make. So there you go. They're sitting at 14. If you are a bull and you plan that earnings pre-run, you want to see them open higher than 14.20. If they can do that, they can run this thing all the way up to, I got another level at 15.35. They get through that right there. Your next one up is going to be 16.66. On the downside, what you want to see them open lower than these bottoms right here at 13.90. They can do that right there. Next level down is going to be 13.75. This level down here, 13.50. And then you got this little bit right here at 13.45. And then they coming back down to this stuff up in here, 13.30. And then boom, you got 13.10. So again, you know, I'll update it before the market start to see where all the playing games that Wall Street do before we actually open. But I'll update in real time once they start taking out all these areas. So there you go with that ticker right there. Big baller shot callers. We got a couple for you. Let's go ahead and throw the SPY up. All right, team, with the SPY, they're sitting at 609.10. If you are a bull, you want to see this thing open higher than this stuff right in here. You want to preferably see them open higher than 611 to give us some type of confirmation that they're going to try to run to higher numbers. So I wouldn't play with it before then. I mean, if you are a scalper and you are educated and knowing what you are doing and you know what you are looking for, you know the areas where they're going to bounce back at, then go for it. But if you trying to not be stressed out in the play, I wouldn't get into this before that point. On the downside, what you want to see them open lower than this bottom right here at 609.10. They can start doing that right there. That next level down is going to be 608.20, and then they're going to make their way back down to this stuff right here, 607.40. I want to see what the pressure look like at that point right there. If they still pushing, you got 606.25 and then a possible bounce area at 605.25. They lose that, they're going to be in some trouble. But again, you already know I'll update it tomorrow. Next ticker up is Tesla. They're sitting at 355.90. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 356.50. If they can do that, they're going to boom this thing up to 359.85, which is going to be a heavy level. They start closing above that, you got 362.05. Again, another heavy level before they start setting their sights on 365.90. Then you got 368.20, and then boom, you got 373.25. To the downside, what you want to see them open lower than these bottoms right here at 353.70. If they can do that, next level down is going to be 351.30, and then boom, you got 348.50. Next level down is going to be 345.55. So there you go in those plays right there. I'm going to throw an honorable mention on there because everybody watches that play. Palantir, again, newbies, beginners. This is another one that you can follow. It's not out of hand with pricing, but with this one right here, they sitting at 119.20. I wouldn't mess with this until you start seeing them hold this level right here at 120.65 because they can bounce all around there. They can premium burn all through in there, and that's something that we don't mess with. On the downside, what you want to see them open lower than these bottoms right here at 118.40. They can do that. Next level down is boom, 116.90. Then next level after that, they're going to try to shoot it down to 116.30, and then this stuff down in here, 115.60, heavy level. Expect a triple bottom or something of that sort at that area for them to try to go boom this thing back up. So that's the honorable mention right there. Want to give a shout out because I know there's some people out there grinding in the game. I'm going to go ahead and show some love to the homie Gabe. Gabe hit me and said, D Fresh, great call. Took profits at $1,060. Gabe, that is great money right there. Good job. And getting into the play, what was that? HIMS ticker symbol. Guys, we threw that play out there in the Discord. Amazing job for you to be able to jump into that play, understanding the assignment and dominating the mission. I am super duper proud of you, man. Champagne bottles in the air. Keep grinding, my guy. Everybody else, I seen your profits that you made. Keep posting them in the chat. I'd love to see it. You guys as well. Keep grinding. You already know we back at it tomorrow. We ready to knock these things out of the ballpark. Everybody that I I didn't get to your tickers in this video, like the NVIDIAs, the TMEs, the AMDs, guys, go ahead and tap into that Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. But guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.